Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to replace the chute on your Eureka atom grinder. The tools that you're going to need are a 2.5 and 3 millimeter Allen wrench. Starting with the smaller 2.5, we're going to remove the top 3 screws on this top panel. Now, switching over to the 3 millimeter Allen wrench, we will remove the top 2 screws that hold the front panel in place. And we will set aside the front panel. It does have wires attached, so just gently place it to the side. You have this black chute cover, and at the top it's held in place by this metal bracket. You can just pop that right off. And peeling back this rubbery chute cover will give us easy access to the 2 screws on either side that are holding it in place. And that is your 3 millimeter Allen wrench. At this point, the chute pops out completely. And we have here our replacement chute. I happen to have the upgraded Atom chute here. You can see some small differences. The rubber piece that covers the chute is thicker and has a tighter seal. Internally, there's a little bit more room on the chute, which allows for a better flow through. And you'll notice there's a thicker plastic where the screw holds the chute into place versus the old style. And to replace the chute, simply pop it back into place here. I'm actually going to pull the rubber back, and that will make it easier to get the screws into the top. Now that the 2 screws are attached at the top, we'll slide the rubber back into place, that chute cover. Take our metal bracket and pop it into place. The arrow, or that little indent, can be pressed against the rubbery side. And now we take our front plate, feed the wires back into place here. And it sits in there. Our silver screws go at the very top. Finally, we'll replace the top plates using our 2.5 millimeter wrench and the black screws with the washer. That's how to replace the chute on your Eureka Atom grinder. For more information on using the Eureka Atom, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.